Tell me what you did with your hair.
I just combed the sides and then like pulled this part a little and combed that side, and then I just put hair gel and hairspray.
Turn to the side. Turn around. Lincoln. Now turn all the way so I can see the other side. That looks so nice. I can't even believe it. You did that all by yourself?
I just thought of it.
You did. It looks so nice. Unfortunately, I have to put you on to something. And I say unfortunately because this is a non-negotiable. Nothing is better than a foot massage to me. But, oh, do you hear that? Let me just tell you what that's doing. Okay, hold on, sorry. Normally, I don't like these because they have these, like, ball kneaders that just, like, beat the crap out of your foot and it doesn't actually feel good. Let me just show you what this button is. This is air intensity. You stick your foot in and then all these, like, air pockets fill up with air. And so it's air pressure. And then, obviously, there's kneaders below it and it, like, pumps up, gets tight on your foot, and then releases, and you can hear it release, and then it pumps up on your foot. So it's like a super tight pressure. I mean, you can adjust the tightness of the pressure. That is good. Oh, see, we gotta turn that up.
And if you don't want to bend down, you can use this.
Oh, yeah. Comes with a remote. Okay. Well, this is just lovely. This is exactly what I need before I go in and fight the mice. You know what I'm saying? Okay, well, I'm going to put a link for this because it is actually phenomenal.
And I'm putting a link for this one. It's an eye massager.
Well, I can't put a link for it yet because I haven't tried it yet.
I don't think you put all that garbage.
However, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to try it.
Can I put it together? I love putting stuff together.
Tell me what it's doing.
Okay.
Oh, and you can put a heat on it.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
And turn the volume up.
that's really nice. It like, I think this is meant for you to go to sleep because it will play like light music. Like you just come, yeah, and then it will push on your face for like a long time to get push, and then it'll go off.
Can I try it? Can I test it?
So cool. And then, yeah. Well,
There's a heat element, which I want to try for my ocular rosacea. Does it feel nice?
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, like you can't see anything after it's blurry.
Okay.
Oh wait, where's the? They come with like
Manual?
You can put the heat up or anything, but it feels just nice. It goes in your head.
Well, I think in order for me to get a real gauge on this, I need to... Lincoln. No more. No more. I think I need to try the foot and the head at the same time. Plus, boss, you don't want to mess your hair up, right? He's in a trance. You gotta leave him be. Boston, when you had these on, I couldn't hear the music. But
the music is so nice.
And I can hear the music. And it's really nice.
Yeah.
And, okay, I don't like... I've tried a bunch of heat things on my eyes. And I didn't like them because you have... They either push on my eyeball or they hover over the top and they don't actually get the warmth on your eye. That
thing, like, it sits on your eyelids and it just makes your eyelids warm.
But there's no pressure.
There's not pressure
on your eyes.
But it put, I don't know, not on your eyes, but kind of on your
pressure
face.
Around, like on your temples and below your eye and above your eye.
It feels so good.
Freaking 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10. And for the feet, 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. I don't... Mice who? Mice who? Bus drop off is completed. Music was going. We've got bubble yubble. We've got bubble gum. Mr. Helene, I've got plans. Oh, is that your phone buzzing in your pocket, or are you happy to see it? Whoa. Ready?
My uniform didn't change. Did yours?
Yeah. We got our teeth brushed. I'm not gonna lie. That little spot? Are you kidding me?
Miles is gonna stay there for a long time.
Are you kidding me? That's pretty fun. And it's mice free.
For now.
No, we have traps set up. Someone's calling me. 2 big ones in the basement we caught.
Big ones, and I think those are like the
Destructors.
I think they're the culprits for most.
I mean, we have no idea. Okay, so none on the main floor then?
Yes, one on the main floor in the guest bathroom.
Ooh, okay, so 3. Have we checked upstairs?
Yeah. Oh, there's only 2.
2 downstairs.
1 downstairs.
Aww.
One up here. And none upstairs.
And you did check upstairs? Mm-hmm. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing.
I think it's a good sign that we're whittling them down. And especially if the big ones are coming out. I feel like that's a big sign.
I don't know about
they're getting hungry.
I don't know about that. All right, well,
It's a good sign.
Let's get to cleaning. Good news is that there are no droppings on the floor, right? I mean...
Yeah, where we cleaned, there's no droppings. I don't think that's a new one.
Well, either that's an old one or... I mean, I mopped this several times. That's a new one. Okay, so we've got 1 little dropping. We meticulously went through the floor that we cleaned, and I do not see any, not even one. That one over here, we have to count it. We have to count it. We found 1 little pellet. Look close and see if that's one.
So hard to floor has its own blemishes.
I know, it's hard.
I see 2 little ones right there.
For real?
I think so.
Let me turn the brights on.
Yes, they got.
Okay, I think that's 2. So yes, we are seeing a few little droppings. They didn't go into the trap. So yeah, we found 3 little droppings. So dang, that's discouraging. That's what I didn't want. But it is what it is. And we're gonna keep cleaning and we're gonna keep setting traps. I think I forgot what a nightmare this is because I was all like happy this morning and now I'm back in here and it's like, I think I forgot how severe it is. Ugh. I didn't show you the mouse because it must have lived because it flopped around and there was stuff everywhere and it was in the toy room next to all my kids' baby toys and yeah, I think I forgot how crappy this situation is, actually. So.
And a single.
Thank you.
How iconic is that yellow wrapping?
You little nuggie.
Uh-huh.
Remember that one time when we moved all of our stuff into our house and we like got the house all clean?
Oh, yeah.
And it about killed me.
Mm-hmm.
And how I didn't think I was going to have to do that again.
Well,
and how we have been literally scrubbing like we cleaned all the windows. Do you remember going through and cleaning all the windows?
I do remember you doing that.
I mean, it was a wee effort for sure. I don't think I've ever done anything on my own.
You did
That's
all the
not
windows.
true.
I didn't do the windows at all.
Yeah.
You did them.
I thought it was going to kill me. I thought it was going to kill me. And here we are. Except, I'll tell you one thing. I am physically stronger. I have more stamina. And I don't feel like lights are going out tomorrow. You know what I mean?
I feel so much different.
Yeah.
It's not what I want to do right now, but I don't feel bogged down by it.
I'm stressed. This sucks. My hands are clean, but they feel nasty. We have other things we need to get done. However,
this doesn't feel as daunting.
yeah. Well,
I feel like we're fishing again, just for different animals.
you take that back. You take that back. That was awful. That was a terrible thing to say.
Well, we caught 6 fish.
I want a divorce. You and me, we're through.
No. Well, as soon as we get this cleaned up.
Yeah, you got some mice to clean up first.
If we're lucky.
Gosh. Well, the main floor is 100% done. Main floor is done. And we got all the decorations off the floor and put away in a designated closet. I was ready to throw everything away.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that wasn't even organized, and we've been able to go through it, so.
That was good.
Blessings.
Divorce papers are final. We gotta go in like, ooh, just a few minutes. Okay, so tell me all about it.
Alright, so we got on the bus, and my friend Cooper was like so excited to me. And then we drove to one stop where my other friend is, and he walked past me and I said, hi, is he here? And then he
said, is he here?
I said, hi, is he here? His name's Zahir.
Oh.
And he looked at me, and then he walked away, and then like 2 seconds into the bus, he said, wait, Boston? Because he didn't recognize me like at the start, and he was excited to me, and then so we walked into class together. And then the whole class like screamed Boston, like my name. And so my friend Jackson, like so many kids like came to me and said like, how's your trip and stuff. And the only thing they said, you know, the rock that I have, Jake the Rock.
Yeah, the class pet.
Yeah, they said, where is he? And so I had, using my backpack, and then
did you get it out?
Yeah, and then they all, like one person grabbed him and they started running with him. And then so I told them all about it, like all about the trip and stuff. And I gave my teacher the shells, and she like came up like, she like said, so what shells are we? So I told her the names and stuff.
Did you know the names?
And then, so we did that, and then we got into class, and then my friend showed me what was new. And so we did that, and
your poor hands.
And so we did that. We did math and like some stuff started. So many kids like were nice and helped me with it because I didn't know any stuff. And then we went outside, and in a couple of days is the mile. And so we practiced mile. And
so did you run a mile today?
And my time was 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Even though
Boss, that's good.
And I like jogged.
Boss, that's good.
And I we overlapped like 20 kids in my class, me and my friend Jackson.
Oh my gosh, he ran a mile in 8 minutes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, we're doing the mile in a couple days. And
Boss, I'm so proud of you. And were you glad that you were wearing those shoes? Your good running shoes?
I don't remember. I wore my Kizik's, but it was still fine.
Boss, did your feet hurt?
No, they felt fine enough.
Oh, okay.
And so we ran with my friends, and we came back. And I was telling my teacher all about it, and I was telling them that we're going next year, and they were excited. Anyway, but yeah, I beat off.
Was there something in your backpack you're gonna show me?
Oh yeah. When I got there, like every kid like put like candy on my desk. So I got there, there was like a bunch of candy. There's like stickers and stuff. And
like because yesterday they knew you were gonna come.
Yeah. And so they put candy on my desk and stuff. And so I had so much stuff on my desk. And this was hanging on the front of my desk. And this is hanging on the front of my desk.
Oh my god.
So good.
That is so sweet.
And then some kid said, King, and it says, I can't remember her name. And then, yeah, it was.
You can hang that in your room somewhere. Once it's cleaned out.
Oh, yeah.
I have never met you, but I guess welcome back.
That was a new kid.
This makes me just die.
Oh, my friend Jackson.
Oh my gosh.
My friend Jackson, like, was so happy to see me.
So sweet.
And he said, one time I said his name in the background. He said, I heard you say my name and I'm so happy.
In one of our videos?
Yeah. And like, we were just catching up on stuff. And when we were talking about baseball, he said, I signed up for baseball. And I said, hello, have you got any text today? He said, nope, I just signed up. And I'm
on your team.
And there's another kid that loves baseball. Me and him are friends because we love baseball. And so we're talking about that, and we think we're on the same teams and stuff because not the coaches in Texas, and they're all in Hiram. And we did that, and then we went out for recess. They have this new thing you can play not softball. You can play like wiffle ball. So they have plastic bats and balls and stuff. And so I got a home run. So it was so cool. And then one time.
Is Lincoln outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we were playing soccer. We were playing soccer, and no one was watching, and I just kicked. Well, a couple kids were watching, but kids were like just laughing and playing with each other, and I kicked it into the goal, and the goalie like messed up, and then every kid was like, "Oh!" and they all surrounded me. And it was so fun.
I am so glad you had a good day.
And every kid like was so nice to me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well we gotta go. We've got activity days, so we've gotta go. I'm out of my cracked pepper.
I can go downstairs and get it.
Pepper. Do you know what? It's fine. It's almost 9 o'clock. Well, it's like 8:30. It's 8:30. We haven't even started dinner yet. We just get in a zone over at the house and we just keep cleaning.
Yeah.
Anyway, then we come over here and like look at this place. I feel like it's a disaster in our house. It's a disaster in here.
There's no mice here though.
But there's no mice.
We have mice trapped outside for mice, so.
That's right.
We do. And we check them religiously.
Mm-hmm.
You guys hurry and get ready for bed, ready for tomorrow because we've got an early morning.
Are they getting up early?
Yep.
Is that the
Yeah,
plan?
we're
We're gonna go to the temple early with our ward.
Okay.
We gotta wake up. We gotta leave by 5.
So is he
Yeah.
picking you up at 5?
He's gonna pick us up here.
That's awfully nice of them to pick you
Yeah.
up.
They said they'll drive us back as well.
That's even better.
Okay,
Okay.
then I think we're gonna close the vlog. I didn't even show any of the before cleaning today because it honestly was too much. I couldn't even deal with it, let alone vlog it. I'll show you my closet tomorrow. We'll clean the closet tomorrow.
That's right.
Okay. Anyways.